State of Michigan versus Eric Martin, case number 23S00425.
Definitely for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White as standby counsel.
Thank you.
So can you hear me?
Yes, I can. One moment, please. All right, we're here for a final settlement conference today. And where are we with this matter, please?
Your Honor, I believe that we were previously ready to proceed actually directly to jury selection, but I think that it may have been set for final settlement. Mr. Martin had some other matters and some other courts, and I don't know if he missed a date or something in there that had it set.
I'm not sure how he got put on for final settlement conference. It was supposed to go directly to jury selection, but we're here. Mr. Martin, you're still requesting a jury trial in this matter, sir?
Yep.
All right. We already have it scheduled for jury selection on August 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Right now, something new I'm going to say is I'm going to demand the appointment of counsel, even though I know you already had them in standby. I always was refusing them, but since it's being fraudulently assumed I'm the defendant anyways, along with all the other fraudulent presumptions, I'm going to go ahead and take the lawyer. But again, I'm not agreeing to no fraudulent presumptions that may normally attach to that, such as I'm a defendant, I'm a ward of the court, et cetera, et cetera. I can go on and on, but under canon law 3228, for example, and et cetera. But so yeah, I want to make that clear on that. And also there's some pretrial demands to dismiss I made that haven't been ruled on yet. They should, because they're pretrial. They're matters of law, so they should be ruled on before trial. And
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I wasn't trying to interrupt, but I just wanted to thank Mr. Martin for that update and to say that his counsel, he's now requesting, if the court chooses to appoint them formally to this case, will be probably happy to assist with all those things, because we have to do jury selection, instructions, and I was going to ask how I needed to communicate about it.
Oh, with respect to any pretrial matters, this court did make a ruling on the record, and I have a written, I wrote it down in my notes here as to each ruling I made on each of the issues. So that has been addressed. If you are expecting counsel to be appointed, sir, at this point in time, then I will do that. And after that point, you will no longer be able to speak on your own behalf. You understand that?
no, I do not understand. I do not agree with it. That is totally violation of my due process rights. I object to that. Regardless of what the counsel may say, I still have the Constitution right to say what I want to say. It's a First Amendment right. So if you're going to say I must accept counsel in order, and must violate, with the condition that I must violate my own constitutional right to speak when I want to, and have a right to speak, then I'm not accepting it. But
that is your choice, sir.
So what's it going to be? Are you going to tell me? Are you still going to stick with that, or what?
Very clear on what I said.
Okay, well, I'm going to forget. Then I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to change my mind on that. Then if I'm going to violate my own constitutional right to speak,
all right.
Then
as you go through the jury selection process, in any of these processes, you will be held to the same standard as any other attorney in a case, because that is what the law and the court rules require. So if you're in violation of those rules, sir, then what is going to happen is you will be held in contempt of court like any other individual would if you are not, in fact, following the rules of court. Do you understand, sir?
objection, that violates the Supreme Court case law. I can't think of the name of it right now. But I have read it before years ago that non-official attorneys are not to be held to the same standards as attorneys.
Mr. Martin, that is not the law again, and I have told you what is going to happen. So I will see you here on August 9th at 8:30 a.m. prepared to go to trial. See you then. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I do just have one quick question. He can be gone.
He's gone.
But I just need to ask the court, because we have to submit the jury instructions and et cetera. I don't have email contact information from Mr. Martin. I don't know if he uses email. So I can submit that to the court, and I guess
he has standby counsel. So submit it to his counsel.
Will do.
Bond is continued.
Your name?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing on this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in the
For what?
jurisdiction hearing. Put in a motion for a dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when when it
Did
was
you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It said you filed, they filed it or at some time, I never.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and your honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed a motion. We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, your honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And then it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that your counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court, like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate, and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement, whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
Talk to.
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, he said it'd be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it,
Thank you.
send it to you.
So what has happened is.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Michael Jewell.
Christy Burdick from the Attorney General's Office, Your Honor.